Okay, a clue for number 3. Which of the following is true about this function? So if it were me, I would take this function right here, and I would just graph that thing in Desmos and then, zoom in or zoom out so you can get a good look at it. And that's pretty much it. Graph it in Desmos. The one thing I'll tell you is relative minimum and maximum. If you're not sure what that means, it's basically like this is a relative minimum because it's a point where the graph goes down and then turns around and starts heading back up. So here's a relative minimum. And then here is a relative maximum because the graph is going up. It's hitting a high point for this local area and then going back down. So if you were just thrown off by that vocabulary, a local maximum is just sort of like the bottom of one of these curves, and then a local maximum is just the top of one of these curves.